Hi, Bill Shannell from HVAC Solutions. Today, we're going to be looking at using the Bradford White cross-reference tool. So let's get right to it. Let's say that we have a customer who sends us this email. They're looking for a replacement for this Rheem water heater, RFD 291-1. Well, we would go to the Bradford White website, go to Resources, Right Spec, Sizing, and Cross-Reference Tools. So we go to the Cross-Reference Tools, is what we're looking for. And sure enough, down here we go to Cross-Reference Tools. When it comes up, it gives us a bunch of different warnings and saying that it's matching things up, but we always have to double check. So it asks us for a country. We put that in. We know this is a manufacturer. We know it's Rheem. And then we're looking for the model number. So that's RFD. And let's see here, 291-1. And what do we get? It comes up with a functional replacement, the D100T 199-3N, and it gives you comparable information, dimensions, and the like. This is kind of neat. If you take a snipping tool, you can cut this out and post it into an email, which is nice. So the customer can see the differences. One other thing that's really nice on this is you see right here the replacement model number. If you click on that, it will pull up the spec sheet for the unit that Bradford White is saying is a functional replacement for it. And you can see this is their standard spec sheet, and you would want to find the model number on the spec sheet. So you could include that in your conversation as well. Now let's take a different situation. Let's say that we have an older Bradford White water heater, an older style. We can also use this cross-reference tool for the same thing. We would go back to the cross-reference tool. We would put in the country, which is United States. In this case, we'd select the manufacturer as Bradford White, and you'll even see it says old models. So in here, we would start to type it in, M1TW 50, and we're getting really close. S6FBN right there. And we come up with the RG1PV50S6N. Again, same information provided in our comparisons, and we could pull up the spec sheet. Let's go for one more, and let's try this one. It's a little fuzzy, but it is an American Standard water heater, and it's a commercial water heater. I can tell just from the model number. So again, we would go to the cross-reference web page. We put in the United States. In this case, we're looking for American Standard. And then the model number was a D75-365. So D, and then let's just kind of roll down. Here we go, 75365AS. Now, interestingly, what the AS stands for is ASME. And the reason why I wanted to show this is in Illinois, if you've got a water heater that has greater than 200,000 BTUs, which these are, they need to be ASME rated. That means at the end of the part number, even though this shows that there's not an A, we would need to include one. That increases the cost of it, but it is a safety item that is mandated by code. Use this tool. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.